The first step is to simply open the App Store, and then you're gonna have to simply search for this app, which is called Pass to You Wallet, which is completely free. And then you're gonna have to simply open it. Now, once you open the app, you're gonna have to tap on the plus button, and here we're gonna have to select apply a pass template. Now, here we're gonna have to simply search for McDonald's. So make sure you type in the right name here. And from this list, we're gonna have to choose the one which was applied the most. So as you can see, the second one, and we're gonna have to select it. Now, once we select this, we're gonna get redirected to another page where we're gonna be able to edit this card and add it directly to our Apple Wallet. So simply tap on next in the top right corner, and here we're gonna have to simply enter the card holder name, and then we're gonna have to simply scan once the QR code on our McDonald's card, and then simply tap on done. Now, once we do that, we're gonna have to simply tap on add, and now this McDonald's card is added to our Apple Wallet. So you don't have to use this app anymore. You can close it and use your Apple Wallet features of your phone. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.